Greetings, dear friend. This moment is not random. You are here for a reason. God Himself has arranged for you to receive this message today. He has something urgent to tell you, something that will protect you, strengthen you, and lead you toward peace, joy, and incredible blessings. Open your heart, stay with me until the end, and be ready to receive what He is about to pour into your life. There are things happening beyond what your eyes can see. Lately, you may have felt an uneasiness, a sense that something is shifting just beyond your sight. Your instincts are not wrong. A neighbor noticed a drone hovering near your window, but this was not just an ordinary drone. It was a sign, a wake-up call from God, revealing that unseen forces, both physical and spiritual, have been trying to gain access to your life. But hear this truth: they will not succeed. God did not allow you to notice this to cause fear, but to empower you. He wants you to take authority, to stand firm, and to reclaim what is yours. No force of darkness can invade your life when God Himself stands as your shield. But you must declare it. Speak it boldly. Claim your divine protection now, for the moment you do, heaven responds. No evil can touch you. No darkness can break through. You are protected, covered, and safe under the mighty hand of God. Your name has been spoken in places you have never been. Behind closed doors, conversations have unfolded, some filled with truth, others with deception. There are those who have tried to twist the facts, to stain your reputation, and to turn others against you. Though you may not have witnessed it firsthand, God has seen and heard everything. He knows every word spoken in secret, every attempt to bring harm your way. But know this: He is neither blind nor silent. Even now, in the unseen realm, God is moving on your behalf. He is exposing deception, unraveling lies, and bringing truth into the light. There is a divine court in session, and justice is being served. Your name is being cleared. Those who sought to harm you will face the weight of their own words. The mouths that spread falsehoods will be silenced as the undeniable truth shines through. Do not be afraid. God is your ultimate defender, and He will not allow the enemy's schemes to succeed. Stand in faith, knowing that He fights for you. Declare His divine justice over your life, for heaven is listening and responding. A new shift is happening, one that will open doors you never imagined. A breakthrough is on its way to you. You have been carrying the burden of financial strain, stretching every dollar, searching for ways to make ends meet. You have prayed, waited, and wondered when relief would come. Today, hear this clearly: God has not forgotten you. Your season of financial breakthrough has arrived. Blessings are being released. Unexpected income, new opportunities, and open doors are being prepared for you. Even in places where there seemed to be no way, God is making a path. But faith is the currency of heaven. You must believe it before you see it, claim it before it manifests. Speak it with confidence, for this is your season of increase. Something has been happening behind the scenes, something that would have caused you harm if not for God's intervention. Last night, someone you know made a dangerous choice. They spoke against you, spreading falsehoods in an attempt to turn others away. But what they did not realize is that God was already one step ahead. In that same room, within that same conversation, someone stood up for you. They refused to believe the lies. They spoke truth. They silenced the rumors before they could spread. And they were not acting alone. God positioned them there, using them as a shield to protect your honor when you had no voice to defend yourself. You are never alone. Even when you do not see it, God is working. He is standing in the gap for you, ensuring that no weapon formed against you will prosper. Trust Him, for His protection is over your life. Speak in faith, declaring His divine covering and loyal friendships over your path. Heaven hears you, and God is moving mightily on your behalf. God is not just protecting you, He is healing you right now. Something powerful is happening in your life. Healing is flowing through every part of you. You may have experienced pain in your body, a heaviness in your chest, a tightness in your muscles. Your mind may have been clouded with exhaustion, a fog that just wouldn't lift, stress that lingered even when you tried to rest. There may have been sorrow in your soul, an ache that words could not express. But today, right now, God is touching every part of you. His power is moving through your body, renewing every cell, strengthening every muscle, restoring every part that has been weary. The weight on your heart is lifting. The confusion in your mind is clearing. Your spirit is awakening with new strength, fresh peace, and unstoppable joy. This is not just a hopeful wish. It is a divine promise. God is healing you completely. Speak it out now. I claim divine healing. Declare it in faith, and watch as God moves mightily in your life. A powerful restoration is coming to your family. There has been tension, arguments that left sharp words hanging in the air, misunderstandings that built walls where love once stood. Perhaps there has been silence, long, painful silence that separated hearts meant to be close. But listen closely, God is stepping into your family right now. He is softening hardened hearts. He is replacing anger with understanding, pride with humility, and distance with closeness. He is restoring what was broken. That sibling who drifted away, that parent who spoke in frustration, that relationship that seemed beyond repair, God is touching it, healing it, breathing love back into your home. But here's the key: God is calling you to take the first step. Be the one to reach out. Speak words of peace. Offer forgiveness, even if it wasn't asked for. Let your light shine so brightly that it melts away the darkness. Speak now, I claim healing for my family, and watch God mend what was broken. Your home will be filled with love again. Get ready, because a celebration is coming, an overflowing, divine celebration. Joy is about to flood your life. Laughter will fill the spaces where sorrow once resided. I see music, dancing, hands lifted in gratitude. God is preparing a victory for you, a celebration so undeniable that even those who doubted you will stand in awe. The struggles, the waiting, the pain, it has all led to this moment of joy. Your cup will overflow, and you will rejoice like never before. Speak it now, I claim my divine celebration, and step into this new season of happiness and celebration. Now, listen closely to God's final message for you today. You are chosen. You are loved beyond measure. No matter what you have done, no matter where you have been, God's love for you is unshakable and unconditional. He knows every tear you have cried, every fear you have faced, and every burden you have carried. Today, He is calling you closer to His peace, His love, and His divine purpose for your life. Speak it now: I receive God's endless love and blessings. If you believe this divine message, claim it with your heart. Let this message spread far and wide. And if you love God and want to show your support, consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you for your constant presence and support on this beautiful journey toward divine love. Amen. If you'd like to show your support, you can give super thanks up to $20.